I am working on a new painting today, and this is a commission. It's for a collector of mine who took a picture of a bakery case in Saint-Tropez, France. And the main stars of this show are these tarts. And I'm not sure I'm pronouncing this right, but they're called Les Tartes Tropezane. So anyway, she said they were absolutely to die for. They were so incredibly delicious. And she has bought a painting of mine that's a market scene. And so this one is going to hang with that. And our market scene was in Nice, France. And I will show you a picture of that. So the market in Nice will go with the bakery in Saint-Tropez. Right now I'm going to start working on the wall and back of the pastry case. And I want to show you my color mixtures. And these are all mixtures of my mud, which is, and that's my mud. It's 2 parts of, let me start over. It's 2 parts of ultramarine blue and 1 part of alizarin crimson. And I've mixed my mud plus alizarin crimson plus a little bit of my cadmium orange plus white. So these are all those same colors, just mixed in different proportions. In fact, this is the same thing with more white mixed in. Now this is a little bit of my orange plus some phthalo blue plus my mud plus white. This is my mud plus a little bit of my cadmium orange plus white. This is ultramarine blue, which is this. And the ultramarine blue plus a tiny bit of this and then white. It just grays the blue just a little bit. So these are my mixtures for my wall behind the bakery case. So anyway, thank you, and I will continue on with my wall in the next video. So I hope to see you then.